Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today it's time for my unboxing of this French cruelty-free subscription service that I don't know how to pronounce. I believe it's Petit Vour. I don't know. I don't speak French. But anyway, this box is a subscription service that you can get every month. I believe it's in the price range of $20 to $25. I don't remember for sure, but it will of course be linked down below like it always is. And you get 4 to 5, usually 4, full-size to deluxe size products that are all cruelty-free and sometimes vegan. And yeah, it's the only all cruelty-free subscription service that I know of. If you know of more, definitely let me know down below, because I'm on the hunt for one that may be better than this, or we'll give it like a like a battle of the boxes kind of thing. Yeah, you get a little card every month. This one is green and it looks like a butterfly in there. And then on the back, it's got some information. It says, "We love spreading kindness. Current subscribers get a free gift with any full-size purchase from our featured brands." So yeah, like a bunch of info on the back there. And then of course the product information, which we were not gonna look at quite yet. Let's just set this right here. Let's see if that'll stay open. Cool, okay, first product in here is this guy. This is Be Kind Products. I don't know anything about this brand. Exfoliant, Visage, Face Scrub, Sensitive Skin. So it's a face scrub. It is a little baby guy. Let's see, this retails for $9. Sensitive Skin Rejoice. This gentle and effective scrub is made with cranberry seeds and powdered dried hibiscus flowers. Use on cleansed skin and rinse with only water to keep active ingredients intact. Okay, so there's your info on that. Let's kind of like peel this guy back and smell it and see if I can smell the cranberries or hibiscus in there. Nope. You can definitely see it though, it's very red. Let's like just breathe. Yeah, that looks like parade cranberries, honestly. Let's just feel, ooh yeah, that's very exfoliating though, that's nice. Yeah, that feels very nice. It doesn't smell like cranberries though, but anyway, that's the first product. Okay, I guess. I'm not super excited about it, but it's something that I will use, I think. I have very dry skin, so exfoliants are always good for me. Next product is this big guy that I want to pull out of here. So this is the OC, like O-S-E-A, like C, like water. This is the Atmosphere Protection Cream. It's 2 full ounces. Dry, normal, and combinations. That's for everybody. Organic seaweed moisturizer hydrates, firms, and protects skin from environmental stressors. Perfect under makeup and sunscreen. Used day and night. It is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, made in the USA. That's cool. Okay, so I thought it was like it says Atmosphere Protection Cream, so I kind of thought sunscreen, but it is a moisturizer with sunscreen in it. And this retails for $48. Goodness. So shield your skin from the elements and pollution with this daily moisturizer that doubles as a primer. We love it that it is so lightweight and reduces redness. Sweet, I definitely need that. I do have very red skin, and it says it doubles as a primer. So this could be a makeup and a skincare item. Trying to get some out, but I am pumping it several times. Can you hear this? I've pumped this so many times. Okay, let's just open. Ooh, very, very strong smell. But I don't know what it smells like. It just smells like medicinal skincare, that kind of thing. The Be Kind, this smell very similar. It does feel moisturizing though. I feel like it almost kind of blurred that area. Yeah, I can still smell it though. That's kind of unfortunate, but it feels moisturizing. Doesn't feel like the most intense moisturizer I've ever tried, but it's cool that it doubles as a primer. I will definitely try this out as a glass bottle, as a moisturizer and as a face primer, and let you know how I feel about it. Did I read this to you? Yes, I did. Okay, next is this guy. This is Libido, inspired by nature. A Chile, myrtle, and tea tree. Oh, tea tree. Thera intensive foot cream. It's foot cream. I don't know if it's vegan. It doesn't say. Oh yeah, vegan. It is vegan. So for all you people that like vegan products, this is vegan. I don't love tea tree. That's why I was like, when I read that, because tea tree Usually it doesn't bother my skin too much, but my scalp, like if I put tea tree on my head, it like burns and makes my head itch really bad. Definitely smells like tea tree. But my skin doesn't react to it too much. It does make me red, but most products make my face red. So, I mean, this isn't for my face, obviously, it's for my feet. I will try it. I'm not excited about it, but I'll try it. And the last thing in here, oh, I didn't read this to you. Back up. This is $7, and it says, bye bye cracked skin, hello baby soft feet. This ultra moisturizing foot cream soothes and repairs dry, itchy, and damaged skin while eliminating odors. Win-win. So that's cool. If your feet stink, this will help. But yeah, I mean, it's a good time for this, I guess. I don't know. It's okay. Next thing is Sun Integrity Impeccable Skin Moisturizing Face Sunscreen. Mineral Matte Tinted Coverage. Okay, so blue light protection. It's vegan for all skin types, oil and silicone free. It's in the shade Ivory, so at least it's my shade, I guess, I think. I feel like this is another skincare product. I don't feel like we got many, like, I know this doubles as a primer and this is kind of like a tinted moisturizer, but it's not really, I don't know. I want like a lipstick or a actual foundation or something, mascara, something like that. Not this stuff. I mean, maybe I'm being too complaining. There's a little tiny bit of it. I don't want to waste too much. It's right there. Let's smooth that out. Ooh, feels kind of weird. It's kind of light, but it does blend in well. Okay. That actually gave some coverage, like, not like a lot, but you can definitely see, like, it covered a little bit of my vein. For a tinted moisturizer, that's not bad coverage. Okay, did I read this to you? I don't think so. This retails for $7. So, it says moisturizing and anti-aging with a soft matte finish. This tinted moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 30 is going to be your go-to all summer long. So if you pair these two together, you definitely have your face covered with, I think, what is this? This one doesn't say how much moisture, or not moisturizer, sunscreen is in it. Don't love that. Okay. Yeah, these two are definitely gonna be good for summer, I guess. Quick recap, I guess, because we're already done. Box-wise, I know this box, like this is $48, so to get this in this box is really cool because it is only like $20 to $21, so double, but the other stuff is pretty cheap, like $7, $9, and $7, so I don't know. I feel like I complain about this box every month, which makes me feel like a bad person, but I am very excited about this. I think out of all of the things, this is my favorite. I'm excited to try because I do love moisturizers. I do have very dry skin, so I love moisturizers. And now that I realize this is not just a sunscreen, I'm excited about it. Like, I'll definitely try it out. I don't know that I'm gonna love it, but I will definitely try it and let you guys know if I like it. But I've never heard of this brand. I've never heard of any of these brands. That's something about this box that's usually new to me. I've never hear of any of the products in it. I did get a Pacifica product. I guess I know what that brand is, but for the most part, they're new to me brands, which I know this is a French brand, so some of these products could definitely be like French, but foot cream, I'm not gonna use this, to be honest. Like, I'll probably be like, oh yeah, I'll totally use it, I'll try it, and I'll use it like once and then forget I own it, because I don't really like use products on my feet very often. I don't even really paint my toenails. Like, I'm just that person, I guess. And this exfoliants are cool, they're great, grand, wonderful, all that stuff, but they're not really something I use because I have so many of them and I forget. I'm really bad about skincare, I should really get better at it, but that's everything. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Again, seriously, let me know down below if you know any of subscription services down below that are all cruelty free. I did cancel my Ipsy and then I re-got it because I was like regretting it. So I canceled that, so I don't have it this month. I will get it back next month, but yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know down below your favorite subscription services or if you get this one. And don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe if you haven't done so already so you don't miss out on any more of my future subscription unboxings. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.